Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 3. We are learning unit 13. Its title is My Country. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is or modified for your convenience. I am going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear students, today under the title of grammar, we are going to learn about words similar and opposite in meaning. Before this, we have learned about singular and plural, and singular and plural nouns are same, only the difference is number. So it means their meaning is same. So we are going to learn further to recognize and use words similar and opposite in meaning. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran Surah Yasin verse 37, and a sign for them is the night. We remove from it the light of day, so they are left in darkness. Yes, my dear students, what this beautiful verse is referring to, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is telling us that after day, night comes, after every night, day comes, and this system goes on. Who is running this system? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah is mentioning this is a sign, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is doing it. So beta, we should be thankful to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for every beautiful day which Allah has blessed us. And I hope you remember the dua which we recite when we wake up in the morning. Yes, if not, better do memorize it. Okay, now look at these words: night and day, light and darkness. You see, these words, night and day, they are opposite to each other, right? Likewise, light and darkness, these are opposite to each other. So we are going to learn further about words which are similar and opposite in meaning. So first you tell me, what are opposite words and what are the similar words? Pause the video, answer these questions to your teacher and then come back. Yes, my dear students, I hope you could answer to your teacher about opposite words, that the words that have opposite meaning means they are opposite to each other, right? They are called opposite words or antonyms. For example, day. Now, day, we know it's day, but whatever the qualities in day are, when they are gone, it becomes night. So they are opposite. In day, there is light. At night, there is darkness. We don't find light. So words which have opposite meaning are day and night. The other example is long and short. She has long hair. She has short hair. Long and short, opposite in meaning. So the words that have the same or nearly the same meaning are known as similar words and also synonyms. And mostly they can replace each other because they are same in meaning, so we can use one for the other. For example, if I ask you, look at this boy and tell me how's the weather outside, you can say it's hot outside or it's warm. So they are close in meaning. That's why they are known as similar words or synonyms, right? The other example is, look at this doll. How does it look? It looks beautiful or it looks pretty. Both words are same, so we can use any of them, right? Okay. So are you clear with the concept of similar and opposite word? Okay, let's practice it through an activity. What we are going to do, all here on page number 112, activity is given. What you are going to do, teacher will ask similar or opposite words for selected words from the activity. So this is the text from activity. Teacher will select a word and may ask, tell me similar or opposite to this word. Students will also use these words in sentences. So how you are going to do? For example, your teacher asks you, tell me the similar word of good. So what can be that? Good and nice. Okay. So first you will tell that word, either it's similar or what is the opposite to good? It's bad. So whatever your teacher asks you, you have to tell and then use that word in a sentence. So the text is this and the other one. Okay. Tutor means teacher or guide or coach, right? This is how beta you will tell words which are similar or opposite, whatever your teacher asks. So first you'll tell the word for the similar and opposite and then use that word in your sentence. So I hope you are going to enjoy this activity. Pause the video, enjoy the activity and then come back. Yes, my dear students, are you done with it? Good job. Now, yes, this activity you can pronounce these tongue twisters. So teacher, make it a fun activity, make the students to like say these words. You know how do we do tongue twister in a very quick way? Let's see who can pronounce all the words without stopping or without changing the word. So pause the video, enjoying these tongue twisters and then come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Could you do it? Good job. All right. So here is a practice. So all of you now on page number 112. Question number 8, you are going to match the words with opposites, and over here word bank is given. You are going to choose the word for the same meanings. So complete these 2 questions and then come back. Yes, my dear students, are you done with it? Good job. Now it's time for your homework. Students will select 5 words. You are going to select 5 words from page number 106 and write their synonyms, means same meaning words, and select 5 words from page number 106 and write their antonyms, means their opposites. So this is how you are going to practice this concept at home. This is your homework. And here is a worksheet, my dear fellow teachers. This worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide a printed worksheet to students for practice. So what we have learned today, we learned to recognize and use words similar and opposite in meaning. Are we done with it? Yes. So that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with the very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning, keep practicing, take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.